In this video, we will learn how to add colorful gradient to text in Adobe Photoshop. First, write your text. Go to the menu bar. Click on the layer menu. Go to the layer style. Click on gradient overlay. Click on the gradient bar. Double click on this stop box. Select the color of your choice. Click on this part and add a stop box. Select your favorite color. Select the color for the next one. Adjust the color position by moving the stop box to the right and left. Click on the OK button. Thanks for watching the video.